Sun is shining in Wales today. We've got SL1, SL2, Mark 1.
Hi.
Lee T. Yeah, SLs today, guys. Let's begin now. And so it begins. There's Camilla, the king's bird. Thank you. Very nice. Da. Not as busy as Birmingham Canal. Welshpool Lock. Very scenic. And we go over that little bridge to the right. Yeah. It's only like a little pool here. Thank you. We're on the route 81. Very nice. Oh, narrow bridge. Are we in Smithwick yet? Oh yeah, there we go. Lovely day for it as well. This is the Ballon Locks. You see the mountain bike hanging off the back of the pickup? How cool was that? He's off downhilling. Oh, that was close. Crunch through the gears. Bell and top lock, not bell end. Yeah, 6 feet. Just come from that way. We're going that way. We've just, Mark's just noticed. Oh, me, I'm just oblivious. We are here. So we've ridden from Welshpool, blah 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 blah. We're going to go all the way to Newtown or Newtown, ride round and ride all the way back. With a coffee, obviously. Lovely day for it as well.
In Newtown.
Newtown! And a lovely, as I said, just a sheet. Not a sheet, but a little crossover of a nice little stream. Very scenic. Hiya. Yeah, you. No problem. Hiya. Try. Yo. He's go. Hello. What else is there? A RAF. That's the one, yeah. The RAF. He's the bugger cutting the edges, putting all the bloody thorns on the track. Bloody tickle tackle. Elevation. What locks are these? Lock. Yeah. Lock Aber-in or something like that. Nice. Lock house. Look how, yeah, like you say, look how clear it is. When I was on the train yesterday, the canal where the railway runs alongside, it was so like aqua blue, like teal, if anything. Probably pollution. Yeah, not the River Severn. Yeah, you can, can't you? This is quite nice. Let's have a little Kodak moment. Wow, you can see the bricks in the water, can't you, down there? What a beautiful day for us. I ain't jumping that. Definitely where you get your feet wet. And there's up a river. It's definitely not the Severn. I'll have to have a look what it is. Probably tell us on the plaque somewhere. That's beautiful though, isn't it now? Fishing in there, Mark. Oh yes. Trout, salmon. There'll be a bear. Don't poke the bear. Very curious to what this river is. Barou Aqueduct. Well, how about that? Tafont de Reur, Barou. Barou sounds like French, doesn't it? So, here we are on the map. And we're headed to Newtown. And we'll pop down here on the way back and have a little look. Might go up into the Barou. Let's check out this signpost here. The River Barou. I'm probably really killing the pronunciation of it. 5 miles to Welshpool, and it doesn't say bloody Aberystwyth, Newtown, does it? This is called the 7 Way.
It's not Newtown in fucking Welsh, is it?
Might be. Abermule. It's like Balamory, like you say, with the pink house.
Yeah.
This is Garthmill, where we have to get off the canal and cross over. Yeah, just follow the signage. Yeah, we head towards, cross over the road. Yeah, drop down to the left, yeah. This is the pub, the Nag's Head, I knew it was. Bit of mud. Yeah, we'll have a look in there on the way back. Yeah, oh, there's the golf course as well, just to the left. Nice. Yeah, we'll go and have a look around there later. You can go through this gate here. Ba-ding! Hey. Yeah, a bit more there. As I go into the canal like you did nearly earlier. Talk about a low bridge. There's the main road to the right. There's the main man in front. Follow the leader. Leader. Wasn't that I won't say it, a song by a certain artist of the 70s that got in trouble? No comment. I always think it's weird to see the river running the opposite way that you think it's going to be going. But it comes from Wales to England, Leicestershire. So just leaving the canal, cross the canal, and we just join this side. I've got to find that bridge. The second iron bridge, we have to find it. It's your challenge. It's a right wacky shack this is, isn't it? Come on, Skill. Oh, has he got it? I'll go round. Has he done it? Oh, are your bars too big?
Yes.
I nearly nudged you up the... Why the hell have they put this here? Oh God, yeah, catches your brake levers, doesn't it? Hang on. This is not fun. My fingers are trapped now. Oh, sorry. When you get off the bike, the suspension comes back up and then you clear it. Oh, look. Brydewen. Sorry, Wales. So if you're ever doing this route, guys, the Bridge 147, take time. There you go. This second iron bridge constructed in the country of Montgomery. I can't read the rest. Let's have a little look-see. Just left the canal for 5 seconds. Have a little look-see at the bridge. The water is, just having a look over there, the water is so clear. Such a nice natural river as well. Not sure if you can see this. Yeah. Over here though, where the sun is catching the water, is amazing. Very picturesque. Some big fish in there, mate. Big fish, little fish.
7 wholesome monster barbel.
Sit on the bank, get your tackle out, see what bites. A483. Lovely day. Going under the main road. I think it's the A483, I'm sure it is. Where does it go now? Oh, back onto the cut. Wow, that is amazing, isn't it, that? The 7 in all its glory. That is. You won't see that when all the leaves are on the trees, will you?
It only aerates the water.
Yeah.
It's like sounds like a raging torrent where we were.
Yeah, and this is still as you like.
It's like a canal, isn't it?
Yeah.
So slow.
I suppose where it goes deeper, this is nice. Bit of tarmac asphalt. And this will take us into the town of New. Nice little riverside view. And it just goes, oh, I bet that's sold for a few quid. Yep. They pay extra for the clicky back hubs. Very nice. See a nice top of a gazebo there? Or pagoda, whatever they're called these days. We are nearly in Newtown. We just found J.R. Hartley. Is he doing it right? If you know what I'm on about, J.R. Hartley, leave a comment in the yellow pages. Here we go, guys. Welcome to Newtown. Oh yeah, straight ahead. I think we'll have a Greg's instead of a... we'll go round and then come back and grab a coffee. I haven't today. I might have to pay for it. God damn it. It's true, they're the only bank left in the high street, really. Or Santander as well as Nationwide. Bridge and then drop down and grab a coffee. Very nice. Very scenic. There you go. Shopping trolleys, house bricks, everything. Let's go and get a coffee. Skid mark. Meow, meow. Premium rush. As I get nudged into the parked cars. Coffee time. Can I have those and a large latte and a large cappuccino, please, with sprinkles. Thank you. Yes, please. Let's head back then. Jump on the steeds, power up the quattros, and we'll head down that way and jump on the River Severn. Bye, Newtown.